Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at AA water systems and the dangers of chloramines in drinking water. So while chloramines can do a lot to disinfect water, a lot to help, there can be some problems. Just as it can help, there can be some bad byproducts when it goes to disinfect. So what are some of the dangers? Well, water utilities worldwide are rapidly transitioning to the use of chloramines to treat drinking water. Traditionally, chlorine was used as a disinfectant, but today the majority of water utilities are switching to chloramines, as they are not only offer a convenient water treatment solution, but they're also considered to be safer. But are they? So chloramines are really a better option, or do they do us more harm than good? That's the question. So to understand this, you need to first understand what chloramines are. So what is chloramine? It is a chemical disinfectant prepared by the combination of ammonia and chlorine. That hence the term. And the chemical process involved in the preparation of chloramines produces several inorganic chloramines, such as organochlorines and monochloramine and dichloramine. When we speak about chloramines, we're generally referring to monochloramines, which constitute 1 part ammonia and 5 parts chlorine solution. The element is typically used as a secondary disinfectant to halt the growth of microorganisms, bacteria, and other viruses. While chloramines are undeniably cheaper, more stable, and last comparatively longer, there's no sufficient evidence indicating they are actually a safer alternative to chlorine. And here's why they may be harmful instead. So it's up to you to decide, ultimately, is this better than chloramine? But they can have some issues. So one thing is they may cause irritation. One of the primary dangers of chloramines in drinking water is that they can potentially harm your skin. It may cause irritation in the eyes and the skin. People who have skin problems like eczema or acne should be extra careful when chloramines may exacerbate their skin condition. They can also cause rashes, breakouts, flakiness, and dryness. And when chloramine disinfectant is in your drinking water, it also produces toxic byproducts such as chlorine dioxide or ozone. And these toxic compounds may even cause sinus issues. Then it may harm kidney patients. So chloramine in water can contaminate the dialysis fluid and can enter the blood of a dialysis patient. Once it enters the bloodstream, chloramines can also alter the hemoglobin and cause acute hemolytic anemia, and has even led to 2 epidemics in dialyzed uremic patients. So this can cause some real problems here if there's some kidney issues. And it may cause deterioration of the municipal infrastructure as well. And as we know, if infrastructure starts to get wary, pipes start to leak, then particles of heavy metals can get in your drinking water. So it's not something to cast aside. Several studies indicate that chloramines are highly corrosive and hence can cause a potential cause of the degradation of valves and pipe fitting. If your water systems uses lead pipes, chloramines may cause it to combine with drinking water and cause potential health problems in the early 2000s. Washington, D.C. switched to a chloramine-based water treatment system, which eventually led to a 5-year contamination crisis, exposed over 42,000 children in the region to considerably higher lead levels. Lead exposure in children can lead to long-term health problems like lower attention span, antisocial behavior, or IQ, hearing loss. Chloramines also corrode solders, metal pipes, and fixtures. So, is it better than chlorine? Or chloramines better than chlorine? It's up to you to decide. But they do have both some issues, especially even though they're used to disinfect, they can cause a lot of problems. So it's always a good idea to have your water periodically tested.